All right, gang, check it out. These are by Flowcheer. They're simple ice machine cleaners. In our break room at our office, we have a little tabletop ice machine. I've had it for a couple of years now, just because our large commercial ice machine is way on the other side of our big building. But we've noticed lately that the ice is very slow to make, much slower than it used to be, and that there's a slight weird taste to it, and you can just tell on the freezing mechanism piece that there's some scale and some buildup, and that's where these come in. These are simple, easy to use cleaners. They are non-toxic. It is a descaler, so that you can open these up, toss these, empty out your ice machine, obviously, toss these in there, pour some water in there, some hot water, let these dissolve, and then run it through a cleaning cycle. It's a pretty straightforward process, and because these are non-toxic, you don't have to worry about any residue or anything left behind. Overall, we've used these now a couple times, use them about once a month, and it like you can't tell after it's been used if you just follow the directions of emptying it out, letting it fully dissolve, running it through a cleaning cycle, rinsing it once again before filling it for the next ice run. It's a pretty simple process. Makes it it's a pretty simple process, and everything comes out tasting so much better, and honestly, the ice freezes fast once again. Overall, if you're looking for a good, easy way to do a little maintenance on your tabletop ice maker, check this out. I think you're gonna love it.